Okay guys, we have two 10-foot lengths of 14 gauge Super Strut from Home Depot. They're about 23-24 bucks a piece. And we're going to cut them down into three 40-inch lengths. By cutting them down to three 40-inch lengths, out of the two 10-foot pieces we get three clamps. Here we're just smoothing off the edges where we've cut. Take it inside and file the inside, and that way we're not going to get any metal splinters, so just be careful when you're doing this job. I've only got a small file as well, I'll have to get myself a bigger one. Okay guys, these are 1/2 inch carriage bolts, and the square section on the carriage bolt is 1/2 inch, and it just so happens that the slots that you see in the Super Strut, they are also 1/2 inch, so it locks in perfectly. So we just slot it in, and on the other side we'll use a large washer and a butterfly nut, and it's just easy to use like that. Now I cut my lengths of a Super Strut to 40 inches guys, and that gave me three clamps from the two 10-foot lengths. Now if you want to get 4 lengths, obviously cut a bit smaller. It's totally up to you what size you make these clamps and how many you get from the 10-foot lengths. You get it from the hard electrical section. I got mine from Home Depot in the electrical section, and they done two sizes, one 10-foot length or a 2-foot length. Now it's cheaper to buy the 10-foot lengths for the simple reason the 2-foot lengths are a lot more expensive if you do it that way. When you're doing these clamps, tighten them down evenly on both sides, and just tighten them as much as you can with your hands. Don't start using a wrench to tighten them up, you just don't need to do that. And just a little tip for you guys, if you put a bit of wax on these clamps, it helps make them a bit more glue resistant for when you're taking them off.